This ad account was restricted. No policy violation. No appeal success. We changed one simple setup, and the account recovered. This is not a loophole and not a shortcut. It only works when restrictions come from trust signals, not content or policy violations. The account looked clean, but delivery stopped and reviews slowed down. Payments were still working, but the ads were not delivering like before. This wasn't a content issue. It was a trust downgrade. During recovery, Meta doesn't re-evaluate your ads first. It re-evaluates how stable and predictable the account looks. Recovery is equal to consistency. Consistency matters more than optimization. We didn't add anything new. We removed instability. Stability is more important than changes. We logged the environment. Same location, same network, same device. No switching, no testing, no resets. Stability is the strongest recovery signal. The same operator accessed the account consistently. One operator, one session. We avoided multiple logins and kept sessions continuous instead of starting fresh every day. We didn't rush recovery. No bulk campaigns, no budget spikes, no aggressive edits. Minimal edits only. Recovery fails most often because people push too fast. We didn't change payment methods, didn't move assets, and didn't re-verify identity. Changing identity during recovery resets progress. Don't reset trust. Recovery wasn't instant, but review speed improved first, then delivery, and finally account status. Faster reviews came before the visible back to normal moment, and then the account status updated. This setup helps recovery, not forgiveness. If policies were violated, this won't fix it. Policy violations, fraud and misrepresentation, chargebacks, permanently banned assets. This method will not work in those cases. The setup isn't magic. The principle is simple. Remove instability and let trust rebuild. Stability, consistency, patience, less action. Most ad accounts fail recovery because too many things change at once. If you want to follow up on diagnosing restrictions, comment recovery. If this helped you at all, hit subscribe so you don't get lost next time.